Okay, first step, ladies and gentlemen, is we take the sugar and the water to make the salted caramel, and we put that into a heavy base pot, and we start to dissolve the sugar into the water, and then we'll come back to it once we've got a little bit of colour. This will take a little bit of time, but you've just got to keep an eye on it, and you don't want it to burn or go too far. For all of the details, the recipe, the method, please see the description below, because everything will be in there nice and clear. Okay, about 5 minutes into it, as you can see, the sugar has melted with the water, and now it's bubbling away, and now we're just waiting for it to get some colour. So as it starts to get colour, I'll come back to it, and then we can see what we'll do next. Okay, as you can see now, it's getting a little bit of colour, and we've just got to keep an eye on it, and give it a bit of a twirl every so often so it doesn't stick. So this is taking around about 10 minutes to get to this point. So giving it a bit of a swirl around. As you can see, the colour's starting to get deeper. And then we'll come back once we're ready to add all the other ingredients. Okay, so it's now gone nice golden caramel colour. And we're about to add in the butter. The sour cream. I have to work quickly here. The cream. And obviously the salt. Mix it well, mix it all through until all the ingredients are mixed in. And as you can see, that beautiful glossy colour coming up. And we're not on any heat whatsoever. This is now being done off the heat. It takes about a minute or so for it to mix it all through. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is a salted caramel sauce. Okay.